This is our weekly outlook for DXY, Euro USD, GBPUSD, and gold. So here we have DXY first of all, which we use for context because it is the dollar index. We have these lows here that have been presented at the 97 big figure and at the 96 big figure, created after price has broken this level with volume, as you can see here. Price has left behind this weekly fair value gap, which price could use as a level of resistance. We have this as our higher time frame zone of context, and we have the 96 big figure. We have this down here as our drawn liquidity, and it could go even potentially to the 96 figure right here. Due to dollar weakness, we'll be seeing more on the fundamentals on this week. If we go down to the daily chart, you can see here price hasn't created a sign of weakness yet. We don't have a bearish order block. We instead have a bullish small. Is there a bullish fair value gap here? No. But we still have this small range which price could do for this high before rallying lower. We'll be seeing the reaction. It could still create a failed swing here if it has to sell. But until then, I'm still seeing this small high. It could clear off this high before rallying to the downside. If we go to GBPUSD, starting from the weekly chart, we have our weekly bullish fair value gap here, and we have this high which was cleaned up, but we still have it as a drawn liquidity for price to maybe swipe off this high and maybe go higher on GBPUSD. I'm saying it may go higher even though this reaction looks more like a bearish rejection, but due to confluence, the XY going down in GBPUSD will most likely keep going higher. So we'll need to be studying the charts more to be seeing more signs. Price has tapped into our weekly bullish fair value gap, which is our higher time frame level of support, and price could use it to buy, but it hasn't given us any story here. It hasn't created a range yet. Maybe it will rally back for this low, swiping this low, and then expanding to the buy side. We'll still be looking at price to see more reactions. If we look at Euro USD, Euro USD is also a same story with DXY, just the opposite. Price has broken here, and we can see the displacement on Euro USD. We see the displacement, and we see how the bearish candles are pulling back with little to no momentum, and they are dancing inside of this range. So there's a high probability of price rallying back to. On Euro USD, we have the 1.16 figure right here, that is here till this high, and probably even higher. We have the anticipation of price rallying till this level. If that we have to look on the 4-hour chart, the ideal scenario is I should see a shift in market structure and the fair value gap. On the 4-hour chart, since this is the weekly chart, for price to expand till this high. Same thing with DXY, just the opposite. Same thing with GBPUSD. If we look at gold, there was already a scenario that I shared. This is gold. I'm still anticipating price to reach maybe 3,500. We should be seeing how price will be reacting on this level. If price breaks this low due to the momentum here, then we have a failed trade. But until then, I'm still anticipating gold reaching for the level 3,500. With all that, that is my view for the week. I don't look at a lot of pairs, but we could look at more pairs in the weeks coming. You can comment your pair that you want us to look at in the comment section, and we will be doing them in the coming weeks. Until then, I wish you good luck and good trading.